it. Okay. Yeah, he said it in Glam Live. Okay. Now, here we go. Okay. He is, okay, we're on his contribution list for the week. So if you see us on the team PK, when you see us on the team PK, if it say 5,000, that means 500. Okay. Bigo just, it show up different. So when y'all seen Citizen throw him some beans, it really was only 530 beans that Citizen showed him. Okay. He don't get no gifts, dumbass. Girl, he don't get gifted like that. Not by the people who use your content, dumbass. What a dummy. What a complete dummy. So just look for the week. You can look on there. All right. Whoever Jet 2 Holiday is with a picture, they must be some something the lady be. But wait, we follow each other. Why are we following each other? Let me unfollow you. Whoever Jet 2 Holiday is. Who is that? But they were gifting Kevin today 1,200 beans. None of the people who use his content gift him. So all of that bullshit. Oh, that's Wolf. So why am I following Jet 2 Holiday? That's Wolf. Why are we following each other? Ugh. Did Wolf pretend to be someone else before? Um. So all of that bull about uh people being able to use the content because they make money to give to him and all of that, baby, bye. It's all bullshit. When you look at his contribution list for the week, Miss Hawaii's number one, Perfectly Imperfect's number two, whoever this is no name number three, Jet 2 Holiday is number four, Natural Beauty's number five, All Gas is number six, an official citizen who just gifted him last night is number seven for the month at 530 beans. Okay. Somebody, who is this? Talk heavy, you here? I want you to please take Jersey Rose. Please take her, get her badge for me, please. ASAP. She over there gifting Kevin. Please, please take that page. And see, I don't never go down people, what's the name? But please take her badge. ASAP. Oh, she be hiding gifting, scared Ed might see it. Yeah, she gifted Kevin 400 beans this week. Please take her badge, whoever that may be. I don't even know her. But none of the people who he claimed, all this Trina and all them people can use his brother name. And you remember all that old cockamamie scheme he had going? Remember that old bullshit? Uh-huh. All of it's bull. Because they don't give him. Okay, let me let that cool off. Mm. They don't gift him. Okay.